Getting AdSense approval on recent days is much more difficult than you have expected until and unless you do not got the right answer and right ideas how you can monetize your website. In this video, I'll teach you how you can monetize your website and I'll just describe the step-by-step process of getting the AdSense approval on your website. Okay, I have already provided the lot of AdSense approval on my client's account. You can see in the screen also that I have already get the payment of this project too. Okay, so you can also try this AdSense approval method and you can apply for the job on the Upwork, Freelancer or Fiverr and many more. Or you can also get your own website approval and you can get the revenue from this website also. Okay, so before getting for the AdSense approval method, there are a lot of tricks that you need to go for your website. You might getting the problem on the AdSense like policy violation, low value content and site down problem and many more. But you can easily fix this error until you know the correct method of solving this issue. First of all, you need to understand what are the requirements of Google AdSense and how you can check your website that this requirement on your website are fulfilled or not. So let me share you the way by which you can check your website has got the requirement of AdSense or not. So now let's go for it. Now to check your website, either your website is eligibility or not, you have to just go for the new tab of your browser and here we just type for the get it AdSense eligibility checker. Okay, this is the website link that you can see in the screen. You can just type the get it AdSense eligibility checker tool, then you will just find this tool. Okay, so you can just go for the getit.com and inside that also you can find this tool. So on the SEO tool, you can find this tool on the Google tool, that is Google AdSense checker approval. Okay, so you'll just find this type of interface. Now here you have to just provide your website link so that it will check that your website will contain the all the feature or not. Okay, so for that we'll just go for the our website and check that our website has got all the feature or not. So here we'll just provide the URL of this domain name. Always copy the URL of this domain name from the link like this. So do not type this URL because you might get some error. Just go for the check eligibility and you can easily see that the requirement of AdSense on your website. Okay, what are the things that are complete on your website and what are missing things on your website, this website will tell you. Okay, scroll down, we have the approval chances of 61% over here. You can see that our domain length is long. Okay, so you can see all these things are okay, while you can see that our site ability on Google search is not available over here also. Then you can just see that our site content with the term and condition pages, about us pages, privacy policy page, contact us pages, these all are okay over here. Okay, if this website will not detect all these pages, then you will not get the approval. Okay, make sure that you have just provided all this link on the footer page of your website and this page should be as a HTML code. Okay, do not add the menu on this screen. So you have to just keep all this link as a HTML so that this website will also detect this thing and the Google AdSense will also detect this thing. Okay, in this way you can check that your website meet the requirement of Google or not. Okay, so once you just got your all the requirement okay, then it is ready to submit for the AdSense approval. Make sure that you have fulfilled all this requirement and if you got any error, I am available at chilover2054 in the Instagram. Now you have already understand about how you can check the requirement of AdSense. Okay, now you need the quality of traffic on your website. So how you can divert your traffic on your website. For example, you can use the bot traffic on your website or you can use the social media to enhance or get the redirection of your traffic to your website. Okay, so for example, if you have a YouTube channel, if you have an Instagram account or social account, then you can easily link these social media accounts to get the engagement on your website, by which you can easily get your website approval. Also, you can take the help from the bot traffic, by which you can get the free traffic on your website like Spark traffic, Big Hits, Get Hits, Spirit traffic and many more. But I prefer for the spring traffic, by which you can get a lot of traffic on your website with the Google search keyword ranking, and this will help you to get the AdSense approval, and this traffic is count on the Google console also. Okay, so you can check in the Google performance or Google search console that your traffic is coming from the redirection of search engine. Okay, so this will help you to establish a good traffic on your website to get the AdSense approval. Okay, now let me show you how you can drive the traffic to your website. Now check out this method also. Now let me talk about the traffic on your website. Okay, so you can just get the traffic to your website by using the traffic spirit or any bot traffic as well. So if you have a social media account, then you can take help from the social media to divert the traffic to your website. But if you do not have a lot of fan follower or no one is there to click a link on your website, then you can easily send the traffic from the traffic bot. Okay, for example, I have Traffic Spirit on my computer, and this software will run all the traffic to your website. This will divert the organic traffic to your website. So you can just go for the software and you can just add your site like this. Okay, so you have to just provide your URL of your post, not your website URL. Make sure that every time you just provide the URL of your post. For example, this is my website. I'll just copy the link of my blog over here and I'll just paste on this software. Once you just paste this link, then please go for the traffic sources. Then just enable these traffic sources, go for the customization source, just select for the Google and just provide your Google source keyword over here. So you can add like this keyword over here. I have just added a single keyword right now, and you can just go for the OK, and all your traffic is diverted from the Google search by using that keyword. Okay, so this will increase the performance of your website. At the same time, you can get the AdSense approval once this is indexed or analyzed in the Google search console. Okay, please go for the OK, and your website is ready to get traffic to your website. This software will run automatically when you turn on your PC, and it will close when you turn off your PC. You can get a quality of traffic by using this software, and this is very good to get the approval for the website. If you need this software, then in the comment section please type the download so that I can send you link for downloading this software. Okay, by using this software you can provide a quality of traffic to your website to get the approval.
Now after traffic, the main important part is about the content. Okay, so now I want to explain you about the AI content and human generated content and human writing content. Okay, you need to understand between these three things. Okay, so you can get the approval on the all this content. Either your content is AI generated, human generated content, or humanized content. Okay, so you can get the approval on these three content categories, but you need to understand that how you can get the approval on your website. For example, you are just using the AI tool like ChatGPT, then you can find a similar type the question and answer. So while your website will just get matched with the lot of website, there is possibility of getting rejection on your website. But if you just humanize your content with the help of the humanizing tool like Still Writer and other humanizer tool, then you can easily get the approval of this Google AdSense by the content valuation. And regarding the human writing content, you can easily get 100% possibility of getting AdSense approval on your website. Okay, you can easily get the AI articles writer like DeepSeek, ChatGPT, and many other article writer by which you can get the content on your website. But the main fact is that regarding the image, you need to use the stock image. Okay, and if you just download the image from the website, and if you just download the image from the website, and if you just upload that image on your website without making changes, then there is the high possibility of getting rejection on the AdSense. So these things should be understood. The content can be AI generated, but the image should not be mismatched or image should not be downloaded from the other website. So this will get the rejection of your AdSense. If you are just generating the article from the ChatGPT, also make a long article more than 2000 words and use the image from the stock image or Canvas and other platforms, so that you just get your own image to upload on your website. So this will increase your valuation of your website, and this will make your AdSense approval on your website.
I have already told you that you can get the approval for the AI content also. You can just see that I have just provided the same command on the three of this article generator, and if you just look for the DeepSeek AI, then you can just find a lot of features. So you can just find a DeepSeek as an alternative content writer. At the same time, there is one more website, and also I just suggest you one more website. This is the link of this website, which will provide you the best SEO content including image. Okay, so you can just get the help of this website to DeepSeek and ChatGPT to create your website. But sometimes you might get problem of low value content by using the AI article. So for that you can just use the Still Writer and many AI humanizers, so that you can humanize your content to human generation. Okay, I personally prefer you to use the Still Writers, so that you can use the Still Writer as a free also to upload your article. Okay, so in this way you can just work on the article, and with the help of this humanizer tool you can humanize the content and you can post on the ChatGPT. But if you want to get the approval, AI content is also okay and you will just get the approval, but your website should get some value. One more thing, you have to use your image always as a copyright free images. For example, you can take the help of Canva and other platform so that you can just get the free non-copyright images on your website. Okay, so this will also increase the valuation of your article, by which you can get the approval regarding the content writing. Okay,
now let me come on the last part of this AdSense approval method. So you need to index your website on the Google search ranking. Okay, so first of all, to get this Google search ranking, I'll just show you the method how you can make a ranking on your website, and if your website is listed on the Google search result, then only you can get the AdSense approval. So you can just submit your website link individually so that it will get higher ranking on your website, and you can just maintain the SEO of your website. And once your posts are ranked on your website, you can easily get the AdSense approval. Okay, so if you just follow this method on 2025, then you can easily get the AdSense approval, either your content is AI generated or human generated. Okay, make sure that you follow this method, and if you got any problem, any confusion, I'm here to assist you. So let me show you the method of indexing your website on the Google search result also.
for example, this is my website, and if I just go for entering this website, previously this is a client website, and you can see that all my pages are indexed over here. Okay, you can look over here. So this index pages on the web, so your website should context, so whenever you will just put this command of your website on the Google, then you will just see all the index page of your website. Okay, so if your website is not indexing over here, then you will not able to get the approval for your website. So to index your website, you can use the thing like AI SEO tool, rank math, and many more, or else you can just use the manual submission of your URL on the Google Search Console. Okay, let me show you. For example, I am on the Google Search Console. If you haven't connected your website to the Google Search Console, it is very easy to connect this thing. If you need a video regarding this, then comment in the comment section below. So this is my website, and you can just see for the performance. Okay, now if your website is not indexing on the Google Search, you have to just go for your website and copy the link that you want to index over here. For example, I'll just go for my website and I'll just copy one of the links so that it will be indexed on my website. Okay, for example, this is the things that I want to index on the Google search. So I'll just copy the link of this website. Now I'll just go for the overview, and here is the inspection of URL over here. So please provide the URL, go for the enter, then your data will be retrieved over here, and your URL is successfully available to index. So here our page is already indexed, but in case your page is not indexed over here, you can just click on the request indexing, and your indexing page request will be submitted to the Google, by which they will just index your page to the Google search rank. This is also very important and necessary to get the AdSense approval. If your website is not listed on the Google as a result of Google search, then you are not able to get the AdSense approval in 2025. Okay, so you can see that we have successfully request for indexing. Follow my step, then you just get the 100% approval for the AdSense.
So after doing all this method, you can easily get the AdSense approval. If you got any problem, any confusion, I'm available at kilowatt2054 in the Instagram, so that you can message me and I'll assist you to get the AdSense approval on your website. While you are not able to get the AdSense approval on the subdomain, so you can try for the third-party advertiser to get the approval of AdSense on your website, while Google will not provide you the AdSense approval. So by using this method and trick, you can easily get the AdSense approval on 2025. How do you find this video? Please mention the comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe to the channel to get the more update like this. I'll be again back with you bringing more content like this. Till then, have a good day. Till our official channel, like, share and subscribe will value for your support. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.